Hey guys, it's Pat bringing you the top crypto projects in 2021. Is Bitcoin the new gold as Indians pour billions into crypto? Bitcoin maximalists have always been known to refer to Bitcoin as digital gold. There are speculations that Bitcoin will overtake gold in the coming years as preferred store of value. This seems the case with each bull market as Bitcoin outperforms gold 10 times in 2021 or 2020. The tide seems to be turning with millennials. Young people who are more tech savvy are picking up digital assets over physical ones. According to chain analysts, India grew from $200 million in crypto investments to nearly $40 billion in the space of 1 year. In 2018, India India's central bank issued a circular ordering the ban of cryptocurrencies in India. Banks were asked to suspend accounts of players who were supporting the sale and purchase of crypto in the country. In 2021, a proposed bill doubled down on this, culminating in what would be one of the strictest crypto policies in the world. The bill would allow for the criminalization, holding, mining, trading, issuing, and even transferring crypto assets. The number of people buying and selling cryptos in 2021 in India now totals more than 15 million. In contrast to there are 23 million traders in the US and only 2.3 million traders in the UK alone. The fear of Bitcoin right now is more towards extreme fear as people are starting to see different things happening. We're looking into the bearish side of things as much as the bullish side of things want to be talked about. Realistically, bullish side is not 100K right now. It's can we get back above 40K to get us above 50K. The downside of things you have to be ready for is it going to keep the support line of 22,000 or is it going to dip lower than that? For Cardano, the world's largest crypto asset management firm launching support for Cardano, Grayscale is now looking into offering retail institutional investors exposure to a basket of altcoins. Grayscale is making Cardano the third largest holding in their fund. As of July 1st, the fund consists of about 67% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and 4% Cardano, with about 1% and less funds allocated to Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Chainlink. In other Cardano news, CardStarter joined SundaySwap to bootstrap major Cardano decentralized exchange launches. If you don't know, on the Cardano network, CardStarter is one of the uh, things working with Cardano, and on their network, they're trying to launch SundaySwap, which is a competitor of Uniswap, the pancake swaps of the world. The agreement to accelerate CardStarter community access to a smart contract enabling Cardano decentralized exchange through SundaySwap. CardStarter views SundaySwap to be able to be the ideal platform to channel its amassed and growing liquidity. The collaboration will let each company focus on its core expertise. The SundaySwap decentralized exchange will benefit from the influx of liquidity and the CardStarter community, while CardStarter innovators will enjoy the benefit of large pool and potential investors, and both communities will benefit from the added stability that comes with greater liquidity. CardStarter was the first and continues to be the best launchpad for Cardano innovators, and its community is a perfect fit for SundaySwap. Mantine Modaff, CEO of SundaySwap, added, CardStarter proved its leadership in empowering Cardano's enterprise and investors early on, and we're very pleased to be able to combine forces with the decentralized exchange launches as successful as possible. You see Grayscale adding Cardano. You now see CardStarter working with SundaySwap, which is both built on Cardano, which is great news for Cardano in the long run of things. Not financial advice, but people think Cardano on the upside could go at 10x right now, as high as $10, maybe even more. Ethereum supply on exchange ratios sees a major drop, matches lowest exchange percent in 30 months from sentiment, which is huge. Back in 2018, as exchanges have less and less Ethereum, that's the hope that the price of Ethereum is going to start to go up and find its way into hopefully 3K on the upside. Low side would be about 1200, not financial advice. 1.28 billion in Ethereum moved to the 15th largest wallet by Binance. Okay, as you see, people were looking at this through whale alerts. They tracked the wallet, um, and it's taking it off the way. They think it could have something to do with Binance. They're not sure. Earlier today, Sentiment Analytics provider posted a tweet which is said that the amount of ETH coins stored in crypto exchanges has dropped to a 31-month low, which is now the lowest since 2018, which we just talked about. The analytics team reckons that the ETH withdrawals may provoke the risk of a major ETH sell-off in the future, which can go both ways. You have to know the bullish side, you have to know the bearish side. The fear for Ethereum right now is in the neutral category on July 2nd via Twitter. Now, looking at the next thing we're going to talk about is Mintable receives a $13 million in Series A funding rounds. Mintable includes other prominent NFT platforms with names such as Ripple as one of their investors. Throughout 2021, Mintable was backed by major investors such as American venture capitalist Mark Cuban, Ashton Kutcher, and a couple other places, including Crypto.com for one of the things. It's located in Singapore. Mintable proposes to exercise NFT proceedings and accelerate its transactional process to be more streamlined and become more user friendly. Mintable has become the first NFT platform to introduce gas free mining to create its own NFTs. Mintable also comprises a wide spectrum of activities and participation with the leading industries and brands spanning digital art, music, collectibles, and game items. In Dogecoin news, Elon Musk pushes Dogecoin's price up with raunchy memes. You can see here as the raunchy meme going off with Elon. He's putting a couple girls up on the screen, and he's like, the guy's like, I can't be seen with this. I got to work on my Dogecoin. Okay. And then from here, Musk his tweet was able to instantly push the price of Dogecoin up by 3% in 2 minutes, which is, he still has that power, but hopefully people stop believing in what he's saying all the time. And through all that, just find a way to stick to what they trust and what they believe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as this will help me get my news that I find out to more subscribers and more viewers. Okay, help me with that algorithm. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, guys, see you later.